are we all set? So we'll just play it and then I'll keep it ready. Yeah.
Sure.
Great. So I'll just go off. I'll just get ready. Just 2 minutes, and I'll join. Yeah. So Prabhakaran sir, I'm just sending it to you in the meantime. Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Prakash,
Yeah. Tell me.
can you send me the background logo?
Now, give me a moment. I'll send it. I'll send it to you.
Yeah.
I'll just check it.
How much part you want to pay? 5 rupees. Then it is okay. Okay. Let's say I'm checking the day after tomorrow. I think they have to check the cable. They have to change 3 parts in this here.
But again, these guys will bypass the Hitachi and companies. So I told also feasibility. There is any feasibility to add, and if they are using the current part with some 30%, I will take the feasibility, and then I will come back to you like that. Already produced. They want. Okay, I will come back to you. Oh. Okay.
நீ போயிட்டு முடி வெட்டிட்டு வந்துருமா?
Good evening, one and all. Welcome to the Leaders Connect. Good evening, one and all.
And one more.
Hope. Good evening. Am I audible?
Yes, go ahead. Prabhakaran, you're audible.
Okay.
Please go ahead.
Welcome to the Leaders Connect, an online leadership community where leaders create more leaders. This is a CSR initiative by Bija Training and organized by the Mask Leadership. I am Go Prabhakaran. I work for My Big Break. Leaders Connect is started with a specific objective of creating 1,000+ leaders. All the working professionals and business people who are facing real-time challenges in leading self, leading others, and in leading their businesses. Share them on our website, maskleadership.com. We read through all the challenges, filter them, and every week on Wednesday, we invite a top management leader for the from the corporate world and look forward to solutions for our real-time challenges on leadership. That is our way of creating more leaders. Currently, all are muted, and we will be giving you the opportunity to speak to our guest, Dr. Harish Chaturvedi, Vice President HR, Reliance Industries Limited. Before going further, let me also share that we are currently live on Facebook, and this episode 056 is being recorded. For the visitors who are joining for the first time, you may also click on to the WhatsApp, Facebook, and LinkedIn link on the chat box to get updates on a weekly basis and join our mission in creating more leaders. So if we are all ready to interact with our honorable guest, Dr. Harish Chaturvedi, on the topic, the Gandhian way of leadership, then please type yes in the chat box if you are ready. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you, thank you. Before introducing the chief guest, let me also take the privilege to introduce our founder of the Leaders Connect, Mr. Prakash Sharma, who will lead the interaction with our guests, along with our panel discussion leader, Varsha Subhash, emotional intelligence coach and practitioner. Hi, Prakash.
Hi. Thank you very much, Prabhakaran, and we welcome Mr. Harish Chaturvedi for our Leaders Connect episode. Mr. Harish Chaturvedi, we definitely like to interact with and thanks for the honor that you have shown us here. And we would like to know more about each other here. And I'm sure this episode is going to give us much more understanding and different topic which we have. All right. So, Mr. Prabhakaran, I would request you to share or introduce Mr. Harish Chaturvedi about his personal experience as a professional, and then we will invite him to unmute his video as well as audio.
Sure. It's a great privilege to introduce our guest of honor for the week, Dr. Harish Chaturvedi. Is married to Madam Rekha, and they have children. They have a child, Shruti, and founder of Chai Pani. That's a nice thing to learn. I mean, let's know about it from the guest. His hobbies are reading, learning new things, and favorite sport is volleyball, table tennis, and he is based out of Vadodara. And Dr. Harish Chaturvedi's LinkedIn profile is shared on the chat box. Feel free to connect with him over LinkedIn. Now, let's have watch a video about our guest.
Okay. Just a minute, I'm doing it right away. Oh, just a minute, I'm playing it again. Oops. Okay, maybe there is a challenge on the video, but yes, definitely we would like to go ahead in the meantime and interact with Dr. Harish Chaturvedi that really add value. Our apology for the video, and there has been a little challenge on the video to share at this moment. Let me make once again my sorry guests, my quick apology for the same. And no, it didn't. So that's okay. Maybe we'll take it up. So Mr. Harish Chaturvedi, we request you to kindly turn on your video and audio. And yes, we have Dr. Harish Chaturvedi here. Yes, thank you very much, Dr. Harish Chaturvedi, for being in here with us. It's been our pleasure. Welcome you, sir.
Namaskar, everyone, and thank you, Prabhakaran ji, and giving me this opportunity. I am audible, I understand. Giving me this opportunity to talk about the subject and to meet the leaders here. And it's real pleasure talking on the platform where leaders create the leader. So I got a call from Prakash one day, and we are discussing about leadership, and I told very categorically that actually I till date I don't understand the meaning of or the definition of leader. And then we talk about the topic and what topic we should talk about, and then subsequently we zero down that there is some uniqueness in Mr. Mahatma, in Gandhiji, that we should talk about his leadership style, which is nowadays we are very deliberately either or through the Facebook College of WhatsApp University, we are trying to discuss the information or we are trying to forget it. So with that intent, though I will give my clarification that I am not so well read about Mahatma Gandhi, but yes, I definitely follow few of his teachings and in my personal life. And I had a number of instances where I had a difference of opinion with my close friends, and we had a very hot discussion on that. But I stand on my views. That is because it's my view. So talking about so talking about the
just
leadership.
Before we get into Harisa, just before we get into the topic more, I would also like to introduce Ms. Varsha Subhash here, where it will also maybe more of interactive on specific topic. Will that be okay, sir?
Yeah, definitely.
Sure, sir. Thanks very much.
So I see one thing is this is evening time, so everyone must have been tired of whole day's professional life or personal life.
True.
I don't want to make it more theoretical or English. English you can understand what I mean to say. So there is no big jargon what we should going to use, and I'm not used to also with big jargons.
True. Definitely.
Right.
We can make the mix also, so that will be always good. So let me share it for all the members here and the community. Yes, members as well as the visitors. So definitely, yes, thanks for joining in for today. And today on specific topic, Gandhian way of leadership is what we are going to be discussing. And as we all shared, we have a couple of questions for on behalf of our community. We have today as a panel discussion leaders, Ms. Varsha Subhash is there here with us. And yes, Ms. Varsha, over to you to have a quick understanding or discuss with Mr. Harish Chaturvedi, and then we'll be in. And in the meantime, all the members, I would request you to turn on your camera so that let's make it more and more interactive, and it'll be more nice in terms of understanding what are the different ways of leaderships are there. But what is this special about Gandhian way of leadership from our guest, Mr. Harish Chaturvedi, as well as we also have one author today, and we are for our author of the week, and I will definitely be introducing a little later. My name is Ms. Aruna Damodaran, but definitely in the mid of this particular episode is where I'll be introducing Ms. Aruna Damodaran also, and to see about her book as well. So stay tuned. Over to you, Varsha. On behalf of the community, please go ahead for asking questions to Mr. Harish.
What's a request? A request. Just give me 5-10 minutes before we go on to this. I know your background, so you will be asking me tough questions. I'm sure about that, right? So before that, give me 10 minutes rather. So let us set the context about the Mahatma, about Gandhi and Gandhiji, right? So, and the
Very nice.
leadership, Gandhi and the leadership. So what actually, see, if you go, we'll talk about leader. Who is the leader? So it is defined in the Western world that a person takes from one place to other place, from a bad place to better place, is a leader. The other definition says, no, a person who takes free from bottom to top is a leader. So that's why, Prakashji, I asked you that I still don't know the definition of leader or a leadership. So there are various definition of leaders.
Various.
So leader, I'll ask question to the members here. Have you ever, we all have read that baby boy has born, baby girl has born. Have you ever heard that leader born?
Good question.
My view is leader is not born, is it a learned skill? It's a learned skill. So there are certain qualities which we have to learn about leadership. So leader is not, our leaders are not born, they are created. So another question. There are different type of leadership we have been taught. So one leadership, major I'm talking about. I'm not going into detail because 5-10 minutes, so it's a very short time. There is a Krishna type of leadership, right? And there is a Ram type of leadership. So Ram type of leadership is tough. Krishna type of leadership is manageable. You bend, you change your perception, your viewpoint according to time and state and the place. But Ram says no, straightforward. He goes very straightforward. Another leadership anecdote is coming from the jungle. See, the king of the jungle is lion, but he doesn't run faster than cheetah. He's not taller than giraffe or elephant. He's not bigger than, he's not intelligent as fox is. But with all this, he is the leader. So learning from this is, who is the leader? The person who can influence, he is the leader. So if you go back during the Aryans' time, there were small colonies. And the person who used to protect that colony, smaller colony, he seems to be a leader. So या तो राजा होता है या अराजकता होती है, या तो राजा होता है या अराजकता होती है. अराजकता जहां है वहां राजा नहीं है. So this is my thought on leadership. Another question, there cannot be a neutral leader. Either leader is good or leader is bad. There cannot be a neutral leader, right? And if you go forward, there is a good leader and there is an effective leader. So good leader and effective leader is Hitler. If you take example of Hitler, he has influenced the population and he becomes a leader. He was an effective leader. But when you're in your leadership, you add morality, then you are a good leader, which Gandhiji has did it. So my question is, can anyone tell me when did Mahatma Gandhi born and where? Simple question. When did Mahatma Gandhi born and where? Okay. 1869. Okay. Porbandar. Anyone else? No? 2nd October. Very specific. Rekha Jain is very specific on date. Very good. And October again. Okay, I will answer this subsequently. So I will just take a minute to talk about Gandhi. Gandhi has born in Gujarat, in Porbandar. He was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. And he was a weak, lean person. He never wanted to meet people. School में जाते थे, तुरंत भाग के आते थे. He used to spend time with books, more or less. Subsequently, when he grown, he has gone to Ahmedabad for Rajkot for education, and then he has gone to London. Everyone know this story. Just I'm taking through that so that you start thinking on that line. So he has gone to London to study law, and after studying law, he came back to India and he started practice here. And in first law case in the court, he could not utter a single word, and subsequently he has lost the case. Then after that, one of the law firm has called him to South Africa. And South Africa story, we know that one day he was traveling with the valid ticket of first class, and he was thrown out of the compartment. That was a cold, chilly night, and sitting in the retiring room of the platform, right? He was just thinking, should I go back to India, or should I continue to fight whatever things are going wrong in South Africa? And that date was 7th June, 1893 in Petersburg. So the birth of Mahatma Gandhi, I asked very specific question. When did Mahatma Gandhi born? Mohandas Karamchand born on 2nd October. Very correct. But Mahatma born on 7th June, 1893.
That's a good one.
Right. Then we know a lot of Andolan he has did, and he was influenced by a lot of leaders at that time. He was influenced by Bhagavad Gita, and from Bhagavad Gita, he has taken two principles of Bhagavad Gita, that is non-possession and inequality and equality. These are the two things he has got from the Bhagavad Gita. He has taken the path of Satyagraha that we all know. He has just, there are certain characters, the most beautiful and the most strong character he was having of truthfulness and non-violence. These are the two factors, and fighting against injustice. That was the two things. The Satyagraha means that only, that truth force for resisting against injustice. That is called Satyagraha. सच के लिए आग्रह रखना, जो सच है उसको हमको बोलना है. That is the then he did the Champaran case, then he was Asahयोग Andolan, then he has did a lot of other movements, and subsequently Dandi Yatra, and with that he becomes Mahatma Gandhi. So if you talk about leadership quality of Mahatma Gandhi, every modern philosophy or definition or model of leadership, you will find the Mahatma Gandhi was possessing that. If you ask me to summarize, after Varsha drills me down, then I will summarize this from the leadership point of view. Yeah, Varsha.
Thank you for setting the context, Mr. Harish. And before we start interacting more to understand about Gandhian's way of leadership, namaste to everyone and good evening to everybody joining us on this platform, Leaders Connect. I know it's a very enriching platform where we connect with the top leaders to understand the real-time challenges and get the solutions. So today is, we have been, as Mr. Harish was mentioning, that leadership is something which is very, very broad topic, but then narrowing it down to a specific context or a style, if we were to say, Gandhian's way. And we all know he has been an icon in Indian legacy. So let's see what is in more for us today to understand from Gandhian's way of leadership in our current world, where we as leaders can implement and become better, because he has been a great leader. So on that note, Harish, we do have a question for you from our leaders, which is, we would like to know your views about Gandhian's way of leadership, and very specifically is how is it aligned with today's corporate environment? Because he has been in his own period, and to apply and to implement in this current phase that we are in, how do we connect his style and we become a great leader?
Okay. So I pretended that you are going to drill me down on this issue. So
not really.
Gandhian way in today's current management or political whatever leadership we talk about, right? See, for any leader, the first thing it should have the purpose. The day he was thrown out of the train, in the back of his mind, he said, "You have thrown me out of train, I will throw you out of country." With that mission, all the activity he has aligned to that. So first learning for today's corporate world, that you should be clear in your purpose.
Beautifully said.
Why Mahatma Gandhi, why Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi becomes Mahatma Gandhi? In corporate world language, I will say, he said, I will work, he has never said that I will work from 9 to 6. He has never said, I want uniform, 3 pairs, 4 pairs of uniform. He has not asked that I want 10 days CL, 5 days, 8 days SL and PL, right? Various type of leave. He has never asked that. He never argued with the Britishers that if you touch me, I will leave the job. Once the mission is decided, conceived, unconditional falling into that, whatever comes into way, I have to achieve this. So that's another thing what the today's leadership has to learn from Mahatma Gandhi. That once we are through with this objective, once we are clear with our vision, once we are clear with the purpose, then we have to be with that purpose, what may come. So that is the way in today's context we can really apply Gandhian way of leadership. Second, the major part of today's leader, what I see is standing on the spine. Most of the leaders are selfish. I can tell on record, most of the leaders, either it is positional leader or they are political leader or they are spiritual leader, whatever. So they don't have spine to stand, right? So as a leader, once we have committed to our objective, our purpose, our vision, we have to stand on that ethically. Ethically, word I'm using is purposefully. Ethically, we have to stand on that.
Great insights on how we can imbibe certain qualities of Gandhiji to apply in a corporate environment. 3 clear standout points stood out. So one is a clear purpose. Second one is the unconditionally, you don't have to seek for anything and just ensure that you create a plan for it and keep progressing. And third is more about being more ethical. So that really gives us a lot of understanding of how we can become an effective leader. Now, if we were to go a little more in depth to understand certain key principles of what Gandhiji followed in his own way of leadership as a leader, which you would recommend us to follow, and each principle, if you were to mention, we would also try to understand from your experience the reason behind it. So the question is about share some of the top 3 or 5 principles of Gandhian's way, which you would recommend our leaders to follow, and why as well.
Okay, so any leader, whether it is in a corporate world or in a political world, whatever it is, but as a leader, I will suggest, or I have read in a book from Mr. Gandhi. One is character. As a leader, you should be very clean in your character. Character means self-control, less egoistic. You should not be that egoistic. People should be reaching, should feel very happy to meet you. You don't need to show people smaller. आपके पास अगर कोई आता है, he doesn't feel like I am a very small person in front of this leader. No, he's a human being approaching you, right? So, and we should not show off our materialistic desire, right? So there are first thing as a leader, we should working on our character. Second is competency. Whatever field you are. So first you should know that the field that is skill. What we tell in the management language, skill plus will is competency. So first you should have a skill, and then to implement that skill, you should have will to do that. So another thing is, first is character, second is competency you should have. When you have character, you have competency, automatically you will get courage. Without courage, people are not going to trust you as a leader. So you should stand for the people, you should stand for the purpose, right? So that is another principle. As a leader, we should know about, as a leader, we should follow that. Another is clarity of thought. So there should be a clarity of thought. you should be clear about your purpose. You should be clear about your mission. You should be clear how I am going to implement. What are the resources? If my A plan falls, so there are another 25 alphabet with me, right? So I can have that many plan with us. So there should be clarity of thought before you implement something, right? But it doesn't mean if you are implementing plan A and you don't have plans, so you don't start. You start with something. You cannot just wait for the situation which is 100% in your favor. You have to go on building that favorable conditions. So that is another principle. What as a leader from the Gandhian point of view, I can say is clarity in thought. And you said 5, so another is communication ability. Mahatma Gandhi, if you talk about when he was first, every one of us know when he was representing the first case in the court, he could not speak a single word, and subsequently, because of his communication skill only, he could bring India in one unity, one platform. And today, every one of us prays because of his communication skill only. So these are the few 4 or 5 principles from the Gandhian point of view, or from any leadership point of view, we should take care of.
Wow, that was beautifully said, the 5 C's, I would say. So first is the character, second being the competency, third being the courage, fourth, clarity of thought, and fifth is the communication. So 5 C's, which stands out, again as the key principles of Gandhian's way of leadership style, that each one of us can start looking at ourselves, doing a reflection of how much we are aligned to it and what we can improve on. I'm sure leaders here would have a point for now to self-reflect and see how much we are able to align to this. And if there is a gap, then I think that's homework for all of us to do. So that comes with a homework for us. Thank you, Mr. Harish, for throwing light on us for that. For me, always Gandhiji is someone have looked as a star icon for the quote, be the change we want to see you there. So I think he's always stood by that. So, and I'm sure in his tenure of leadership, he did face a lot of phases of change. So if we were to particularly talk about how do we handle change or any kind of a crisis, connecting with Gandhian's way of leadership, then what are some of the strategies would you mention or share with us? Because in the current trend, I know change and crises are something which we all are facing very commonly. So on that note, anything if you could throw some insights and also an experience of handling a particular situation or a crisis based on Gandhian's way, it would really help us.
Okay, so change, Gandhiji has practiced or come across in his life, and which will help us to understand in our life also. So if you ask me about the changes, the first change, the biggest change, he has thought of the way of Andolan, that is Ahimsak Andolan. He was knowing, he has understood Britishers very well staying there, that they have high values for human being. So they are not going to kill you. They are not going to kill you unless and until you do something wrong. So the first thing ever changed, unconventional way of having the Satyagraha is Ahimsak Andolan. And if you have read Gandhi during this Chori Chora case, when people have geraved the police station and they have burned the police station, he has said, I'm withdrawing my Satyagraha because it is against my principle. My principle is Ahimsa. So Hinsa is not accepted. But he cannot leave that halfway, right? So he has changed his method, and from there he has started what is that called? Avigya Andolan, right? So we should not follow whatever norms. We will not support Britishers to cut hair. We will not go for polishing. We are not giving them support in any means. So every time, whenever he finds something is going wrong, he has made a change. At that time, if we can just reflect upon what was the social condition, untouchability was at the peak, right? He was the person who has brought all the caste, all the religion at one place, right? Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram, sabko sanmati de Bhagwan. Sabko sanmati de. It is not only one. Vaishnav janto jene kahiye, pir parai jane re. Vaishnav, who is Vaishnav? The person who knows, who understands the pain of other. So आज की language में आपका emotional intelligence जो बोलता है वर्षा जी, right? Empathy. He has practiced empathy at that time, right? So these are the examples, and we have to, when if you talk about the corporate management, we are in a very VUCA world. We tell it is in a dynamic world where situation goes on changing. All of a sudden, you will get a competition. You cannot just wait for that. You have to go on changing your strategies. So change is the factor which Gandhi has practiced that time, and it has suggested us to be able to practice change when it comes to. So you should be ready for change.
But it's the most difficult thing, Hareshji. It is to practice change again. I know, basis the circumstance, basis, a lot of other factors. As a leader, as from the management, we need to take some stance and get things going. But in case if you, what is a kind of an attitude or something more that you can just share us that can help people to quickly adapt to change or bring in change, then it will be great.
First is, if your purpose is selfless, if your purpose or motive is selfless, right? So in the bottom of your heart, you will say, okay, if this purpose, this method is not working, right? But ultimately, I have to achieve my goal. So you have to go on practicing that. See, as a human being, we have a very tendency of having, one is comfort. जहाँ बैठे वहाँ बैठे रहो, ज़्यादा हिलो मत, ज़्यादा परेशान मत करो, ठीक है? So we have to come out of that. We have to come out of that. And this attitude has come from where? You just think. This attitude has come from. See, जब शेर को भूख लगती है तो शिकार ढूंढने जाता है. चिड़िया को भूख लगती है तो दाना ढूंढने जाती है. हम क्या करते हैं? जब मौका मिला हमने इकट्ठा कर लिया. So we are bringing it to us, right? And then we don't want to impart that. So when we start believing in first self-confidence, the purpose, and selfless motive to achieve that purpose, automatically you will start accepting the change also.
I really liked, the selfless purpose and the motive. I think if that is there with each of the leaders, then bringing in change and adapting to it becomes very easy. And Gandhi ji has totally been an icon for this, and I think we can learn more from him. With the time constraint, I think we will also give an opportunity for our leaders who have joined us today to ask few more questions to you. So I hand it over to Prakash to take this forward. So over to you, Prakash. It was wonderful interacting with you, Mr. Harish. So thank you so much.
To add to this is, one, we have to forget the SMS which comes at the end of the month.
Yes. Little louder, sir. What was that?
Whole objective works on the SMS which comes at the end of the month. If you forget that thing, right, automatically we start accepting the changes.
True.
Well said. Well said.
Right, is it? Great. So thanks very much, Varsha. That was really awesome. And thanks very much for being at the panel discussion and then interacting with Dr. Harish. So great. So Dr. Harish, in fact, Varsha is an EI practitioner, and she's an EI coach as well, where she helps most of the corporate companies as well in doing it. So great. So thanks, Varsha. So Dr. Harish, we have just one quiz is what we're going to be doing it now. And then after the quiz is where we will have a couple of more other members, a couple of more questions. Is that okay with you, Mr. Harish? So maximum another 10 minutes more. Is that fine? 10, 15 minutes. Yeah. I believe, okay, you got muted. Yes, Harish.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Go ahead with your.
Yeah. Thanks very much, Dr. Harish, for the same. Great. So yes, so members and visitors, now was a quiz. But before the quiz, we have a couple of points more to share with you as well, and we are going to share now. So yes, definitely we all are aware that as how every week after week we have the author of the week. So this week also we have an author. So before me sharing the author of the week, so let me also share the last week's quiz winner first, and then this week's quiz, and it goes in a one simultaneous mode. So for me to share last week's quiz winner, yes, last week's quiz winner is Ms. Varsha Subhash, and she received the complimentary of the Mass Leadership 360-degree tool. So thanks very much, Varsha, for being in last week and then taking it further as well. So this week now we like to introduce you to the author of the week. And the author of the week is Miss Aruna Damodaran. Yes, so Aruna Damodaran is here, a sales professional for more than a decade, and now is a best-selling author. All right, and her book is on self-leadership, and that's what the book is called, My Love. That's what you're going to see. So Nisha, kindly share the screen of Miss Aruna. Thank you very much. And she's a more self-leadership coach and a founder of RAISE, a non-government organization who inspires women to be financially literate. So that's about Aruna Damodaran, and she's been excellent. And one important information I'd like to share with you all is exactly last year, 15th of December is where Aruna Damodaran launched this particular book, Self-Leadership, and today is going to be 1 year completion. So welcome Aruna for our Leaders Connect episode as author of the week. And yes, we request you to unmute yourself and the floor is yours. Yes, Aruna, am I audible?
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes,
Thank you
Aruna.
so much. Thank you so much. And that was a sweet introduction. Yeah, let me start with a question.
Yes.
Did you ever meet someone who's just like you? And this question is for everyone. Did you ever meet someone who's just like you? No?
I'm looking for someone to meet.
Okay, I did.
Oh,
And we were not twins. Okay,
Good.
we were not twins, but he never let me do anything stupid alone. We did it together.
wow, good. No.
So what happened? We were wearing a fully covered, yellow raincoat, and we were staring against a giant waterfalls. We were holding our hands tight like never before. We were standing still, but we didn't know what to do. You know why? Because we had to jump, and we had no choice. And the situation is trembling. Let me
True.
tell you. And that situation, my heart was pumping like, unusually fast, and we didn't know what to do. But the choice, no choice. He said, there is no way you have to jump at the count of 1 to 3. 1, 2, no, I can't do this. This is impossible. No, I can't do this. But you have to, at the count of 3. Ah! Oh my God, is that a dream? No, dude, that's not your dream. It's called inner journey.
Wow, okay.
The journey inside is going to be one of the most exciting, curious, thrilling, and adventurous experience. Sometimes when you travel inside,
True.
you become confused. You become doubtful. Sometimes you misunderstand about yourself. You get frightened and you prefer to escape from inside out. My only suggestion as a coach or an author is stick on to that, whatever you're doing. And please don't believe anything blindly.
Correct.
When you do that, you know what happens? You explore yourself and you emerge out as a self-made person.
True,
With
right.
the track called awareness as a real protector. Being intimate with yourself is always a yes, and no negative force can ever stop that. You are the greatest mystery to be discovered, and I warmly welcome you to the inner journey.
Super.
That's what this book is all about. Love You, and that's the title, an interactive book on self-leadership, because this is a sample of what or how the book is written.
Wonderful.
Whatever I've enacted, I don't know I've done it right, but then whatever I've done, it's the same way the book is being taken. It will be interactive. It will be like one-on-one conversation. Though it is a book, it is like as though I am speaking with you.
Great.
So that's why.
Wonderful, Aruna. That's for the short description of the book. Even I was just thinking what it's about. Then when you start explaining is what we understood. That's about quick description, wonderfully shared, wonderfully described. In short, in nutshell, made very clear that our inner journey, the life, we need to start going more deeper within ourselves. And that's what start loving ourselves. It really adds value. And in fact, even I would just have to connect to a topic today as the Gandhian way of leadership as well. And that's what even I feel. It's more about the inner journey, is what even Gandhi speaks.
Yeah, actually today's
Wow.
topic gels with self-leadership.
Yes,
Because he's
right,
been
right.
thrown out of the train. And that is where the whole movement started. And in short, that is self-leadership. Because this book talks about that. It tells you how to tap the dormant energy that is lying in each one of us. You know,
Yes.
and to break that thought cycle, because it is a vicious cycle. It goes on and on. How to break it? This book is a cocktail of your love, emotions, romance, negotiation, communication. Everything is mixed as one cocktail for you. Yeah.
Great. So wonderful, Aruna. Thanks very much for being in here. For all the members as well, we have Aruna's link for the book is also on the chat box. So feel free if you want to click the book and if you want to purchase it, feel free. That's when she'll be able to give. I'm sure for the quiz winner today, one book is complimentary is what Aruna has been giving to the quiz winner. Am I right, Aruna?
Oh, carry on. Yes. Why not?
So one book is complimentary. So that's what you're going to be doing it now. So for the quiz is what I'm going to invite Mr. Rangarajan, who is from Nash Industries. Okay. So who's going to be a quick quiz about what all Mr. Harish Chaturvedi spoke. For members and visitors, stay tuned. The person who's going to answer this particular quiz question correctly is going to get this Love You book from Aruna. So that book is for you. So yes, Rangarajan, I am added on to spotlight and go ahead. Yes, Rangarajan, over to you.
The question is for understanding the leadership quality of Gandhi. Sir has mentioned the name of the book. What is the name?
That's a good question. Repeat the question again, Rangarajan. So answers
The
in the chat
book name.
box, please. Fastest
The book
fingers
name,
first.
which Sir mentioned to understand the leadership quality of Gandhi.
Answers are coming up.
No.
Rangarajan?
No.
Two people have written Bhagavad Gita. Okay, others?
Bhagavad Gita is about Krishna, not about Gandhi. Faster fingers first.
Quick, looking for the answers. Okay, that Arka Samanta, I believe she's written an answer for a different journey as inner journey,
Yeah.
what is important. Okay, that's good. Prabhakaran Ji has written. Yes, Rangarajan?
Yeah.
He's
The
written
book name
saying
is
that
what is the character?
the book name is so Prabhakaran has written My Experiments with Truth.
Yeah.
Right? Right, Rangarajan?
Yeah, but my question may be wrongly interpreted. What my question is, Sir has explained about what are all the characters. So he told
Characters,
what
fine,
is
but you
the
asked the book name. Correct? Book
Yeah.
name is My Experiments with Truth. Correct? Perfect.
Yeah.
Yes. So wonderful. Sir, Harish sir, maybe you're the right person to share. That's the book name, correct, sir?
Looking to the question, there are two answers which are on the screen right now. The book is My Experiment with Truth is correct. And
Yes.
Varsha has just reminded the recordings and she has come out with Ram and Krishna and talked about the characters of leadership, two way of characters of leadership.
So good. So the person who wrote first is what is going to be getting. So yes, Rangarajan.
So I have talked about Ram and Krishna. I have not used word My Experiment with Truth. That is the book I have read number of times. And,
Okay.
whenever I get opportunity, I don't know whether I have read it completely or not, but I just start from anywhere. So that is the book I really recommend. I'm not the sponsor or advertiser of that book, but yes, if you really want to read about Gandhi in that real way, not from the Facebook College of WhatsApp University, so that is a good book about my experiment with truth. One should really read about.
Oh, wonderful.
And
Definitely.
second book I can recommend is for self is Theory of Karma by Harivallabh Thakkar. So these are the two books if you really want to read about.
Perfect. Wonderful, wonderful. So thanks very much, Harish sir. So thanks, Rangarajan. That's really awesome. So I believe that means Prabhakaran gets that is the winner. Rangarajan, am I right?
Yes.
Wonderful. So thanks very much. So let's congrats all. Kindly type congratulations, Prabhakaran, on the chat box. All the members and visitors clap, clap, clap for Prabhakaran. Yes, congratulations, Prabhakaran, for receiving the book. Love you from Aruna Damodaran.
Wow, that is superb. And tough question, huh?
Great, Rangarajan. So, Harish, Mr. Rangarajan is the production head from Nash Industries from Bangalore, and as a part of the different people are there in our community from different backgrounds as well. Thanks very much, Rangarajan, for asking this particular question. That really helps. So members and visitors, now is the time for you to be open enough to ask questions to Dr. Harish, and a couple of more questions. There will be 2 questions already been in, and last few questions, and we close this episode finally. So feel free, the 2 ways of asking, either you can raise your hand and then we unmute you to ask a question to Harish, or kindly type the question in the chat box and then we can ask you on behalf of you. So, but before that, Ms. Aruna, would you like to ask any question to Dr. Harish? If you have any question, over to you now for any question. Else we'll go take the other questions from people as well. What do you feel, Ms. Aruna?
I have only one question.
Yes.
Whatever you have spoken till now, were you able to implement in your corporate life?
Wow, that's a good question.
See, I will give you example. When I joined a company, and there was 5 unions, and in the first union meeting, they wanted to pressurize me. So that first impression, right? It's a normal tactics from union side. So they started blaming that HR to kitna paisa banata hai, hum jante hain. HR ke ethics kya hota hai, hum sab jante hain. I just put my hand on table and said that I'm moving out of this room. And if you find one thing wrong from my entire life, I have to find out, I will not work lifelong.
Super.
One unethical thing you just find out from any company, I will give you numbers and address and the contact person, right? If you find one thing, I will not work lifelong.
Yes, that's where the courage comes from.
That's why, right?
Yes.
So that is where we practice that. So one has to be convinced first. Yes, it can work. It will work, and it is working. So it's only one example I'm using. It's a number of examples we can quote. If you did something wrong, what's wrong? What company is going to do maximum? Maximum, they will say, boss, from tomorrow don't come, right? Fine, okay. But for small thing, we compromise our ethics, our truth, our value system, and that's why we are not in that position to face the challenges. So we have to go with the end in the mind that okay, yaar, kya फांसी चढ़ा देगा? अगर कुछ गलती हो गया यार.
So what?
So what?
Right, yeah.
But we should confess, ये गलती हुआ है. Next time I will take care. So these are the few examples I can say. Yes, we can practice all the thing, everything what Mahatma Gandhi has taught through his lifestyle.
Well, that's why I think you have difference of opinion with your friends. Not everyone can do that.
Lot of.
Yeah.
Good. Wonderfully shared. Good question, Aruna. And wonderful, sir, Harish, sir. I really like the way what you speak about the way ethics and how we actually to follow ethics, even especially during the challenging situations. That's more necessary. We are ethical when the situations are smooth, and but when real challenging situations come at that moment of time,
that's where the real character. That's where the thrill.
And that's where you've demonstrated is what you're sharing. So wonderful.
I can see a lot of gray hairs here. I would like to ask them, put your hand on your heart. Yes. And when we talk about religion, intercaste marriage, right? And when your daughter or your son does intercaste marriage, how you take decision?
True.
Right?
Agreed. Very relevant.
Major event, we settled, our value system goes on the toss.
True. Agreed.
One side we say all humans are equal, humanity should be there, all religions are equal. But when my daughter or my son
It's
married to other caste, everything goes on toss.
true. Very rightly said, sir. In fact, honestly speaking, my sister-in-law, in fact, there was an intercaste marriage. Initial time, it was like, yeah, it was very challenging, tough, no, not possible and all. But it took a lot of time for them to accept it. But father-in-law is very open. He always shares and he interacts, saying that all are equal, as you rightly told. But when it came really to their respective daughter, acceptance levels was not so very high. It was really first, initially was only resistance. And then the acceptance had to take time. Then take a deep dive.
तो प्रकाश जी, क्रांतिकारी घर घर में होना चाहिए, मेरा घर छोड़ के.
Agreed. Really true. I completely agree with you. Good, sir. Wonderfully shared. Wonderful, Dr. Hari. So, other members, any of the questions you have got now, because we are almost to the end of our episode. Any questions, fine. Otherwise, we'll be ending the episode and we have our networking episode as well after this. So, I believe as of now, no questions, sir.
Prabhakaran ji has raised the hand.
Oh, Prabhakaran has raised. Oh, I missed Prabhakaran. Yes, Prabhakaran, one moment. I will give you an option now. Yes, sorry, I missed to see that, I believe. Thanks very much, Hari, sir, for noticing it. Yes, Prabhakaran, sir, go ahead.
Okay. Sir, one small question. When it is individual decisions, when we are at stake, we take every challenge as by our stride. When it has to be collectively done, we also represent a group, especially in a leader's role. If we are standing for something. In such scenarios, is ethical behavior a black and white, or there are grays in the region?
So again, if you remove the concept of SMS at the end of the month, you are removing the gray factor, right? But as a leader, what is our role? If we understand that very categorically, as a leader, first thing is we have to create a team to command, right? And then we have to have a consultation in that, and we have to drive towards the consensus, right? So if you have created a team for a purpose, right, and you have consulted them in a proper way and influenced them in a proper way, and consensus has come, so gray part will be removed from there. But yes, it takes time. Again, it takes a lot of efforts to be genuinely put into that. It is not that a big arkedo, I want it on yesterday basis. That cannot work.
Agree.
True.
Agree.
There is a question in chat box by Fatima.
Fatima, yes, sir.
My question is, who is the second person comes to your mind when Gandhiji's rules are not applicable in mind? My friend, good friend, Lord Krishna.
Oh, wow, that's nice.
I don't consider, he has never said that he was a god, right? And again, the learning from the Krishna is comfort. अगर वो मथुरा में रहा होता तो ग्वाला कहलाता, जब तक उसने अपने मथुरा नहीं छोड़ा तो राजा धीराज नहीं हो पाता. So उसने मथुरा का comfort छोड़ के fight किया, and he has not fought any fight, any battle for himself. Not a single battle you can find he has fought for himself, right? So as a leader, you are alone on the top. You have to fight for others. There is no one going to support you. No one is going to support you. So the other person, Fatima ji, which comes to my mind after Gandhi ji or before Gandhi ji, is Krishna.
Wow, great. Wonderful. So, sir, we have one last question. I believe Rajesh Chauhan has joined again. And Rajesh, would you like to ask the question now? I believe you have raised your hand.
Yeah, thanks, Prakash. And in fact, thanks to everyone who has joined. And it's wonderful to be part of this Leaders Connect. And thank you, Hariji. And I've been in touch with you for LinkedIn sometime. Unfortunately, there was no message from your side too. But then understandable. Oh, okay. I see, again, we all talk of leadership, but honestly, I've been traveling this few part of the global, as I said in last meeting. But when we come to this part of the globe, when we say leadership, there's no one coming, and what we say out of the box, there is no one to help. So what I feel, leadership basically should be a part of a function where which should be more of empathy rather than a sympathy. So which I feel is a little lacking. I mean, if I relate to this Gandhian part, the changes from Gandhian to now, there's a lot of change. And if I want to still compare Gandhiji, I would say Chanakya Niti is still better, or we can still have that in a current corporate leadership. That is what I feel as I would rank it first. So that is what I wanted to convey from my side.
This is just one piece of my thought is it's personally my view. That there is nothing right or wrong. There is no Ram was right, never Ram was right, never Krishna was right. It is the perception and the situation which matters. So in the beginning I said there are leaders who says from one point to other point. There are leaders who says from top to bottom. Right? There is a Krishna way of leadership. There is a Ram way of leadership. Right? There is a Chanakya Niti. It's totally a different way of thought. Gandhi is a different way of thought. If you come to today's world, today's recent time, right? Tikat was the example. Tikat is the example who has followed Gandhian way, right? Whatever is said, politically, whatever it is said. But if you analyze the whole farmers' protest, it was followed by the Gandhian way, right? Modi ji has a different way. So there is a different way of leadership. So I don't judge or I don't measure who is good, who is bad. But yes, as a person, बंद घड़ी भी दिन में 2 बार सही time दिखाती है. So we have to learn the right thing from everyone.
Maybe correct. True.
Thanks very much. Wonderfully shared, sir. That is really an awesome one which has been shared. So great. So I believe we all are coming close to the end of the episode, and I believe we have a couple of more points. Arka Samantha has written, yes, we need to do the yoga practice. Yes, definitely. Yes, Arka Samantha. Thanks very much. We should be learning more on these yogas as well, which will really help and benefit us. So good. So with that, we are coming to an end. I would, Mr. Harish Chaturvedi sir, we have the starting of the video which we had to play got missed somehow, and we're going to play at the end. So please do not mind for that. So now is the time which you're going to play it for you, and then we're going to summarize the whole aspect now. Yeah. So yes, Rangarajan, please play. Rangarajan, kindly turn on the audio. Audio. We need to share the screen on the audio, Rangarajan, not here. Okay. We had today our IT person missing, so that's the signal which we are getting today. What's the importance of an IT person was where we're getting to know as well. Yes, Nagaja, please go ahead. So maybe that was a welcome video, but unfortunately we're coming to an end to show it. Maybe it can be a thanking video also. We can convert it to the thank video. Is what I would say. Yeah. So yes, Harisha, thanks very much for being in here. That was really awesome having you with us. For all the members, let me share with you. I got the connect of Mr. Harish, and we were discussing his one through Miss Gauri. She was also part of our panel. She was also invited as a leader. She's from IFF. And to her as well, we got the connect of Mr. Harish. It was nice connecting with Mr. Harish. It was an awesome episode to know more about the Gandhi's way of leadership as well. Yeah. So to come to a quick summary and all these, I would request Mr. David Selvaraj to quickly share what is the purpose of this community and how we'll be actually doing it. And then any other questions, if you have, maybe I would request you to share it a little later, and then I'll take those questions and maybe ask Mr. Harish. Send it to an email to him. Yeah. So, Mr. Harish, before I ask our Mr. David to share about the purpose of the community once again and just end our episode, one last question from my side. What's the message you want to give to our community members here, sir? We all are here with the purpose of learning plus networking. So most of them are from different working backgrounds and all working professionals and business people as well. So what's one message you'd like to give to leaders here?
So, I spent 32 years into this profession by now. So what I have learned from this is, and I really share with people on this, that it was your decision to join this, whatever profession you are right now. It is your decision, right? It is your responsibility to make it right. Wherever you are working, it was your decision. Make that place to work happily, right? So that you can get a good sleep without taking pills in the night.
True. Right.
Switch on, switch off. When you go to office, we punch. When we come out of office, we again punch, right? Our attendance. So what does it mean? When you go to the office, punch your card and say, "Mere ghar ki tension machine mein dal de." And when you come out of the office, again you punch and say, "Office ki tension machine mein dal de." So I'm not going to take anything from here.
Yeah.
True.
And live a normal, natural life. Life is very simple, very interesting. Enjoy it. That is the message. And that everything falls into line thereafter. Enjoy life. So whenever, Prakash, you must have noticed when you call me and you ask, "How are you?" My first word naturally comes, "I am always good."
Good. Correct. True. Definitely, sir. Wonderful message being shared to our community members.
And
Definitely.
one more before end. This is nowadays a very common narration is going is "Chappan ki chhati, chappan ki chhati." This is 56 episode. This is 56 episode.
Yes, 56th episode, correct.
And it requires Chappan ki chhati to become a leader.
Oh, wow. Thanks.
Go from there.
That's all your blessings, sir. Definitely look forward more. So good. Thanks, sir.
Thank you.
Great. So I request now, Mr. David Selvaraj. Mr. David Selvaraj is from Phoenicia Facility Management Services. And yes, David Selvaraj, please go ahead and do the summary. Please go ahead and do a thanking and then announce the next week's leader as well. Go ahead.
Thank you, Prakash. Am I audible?
Yes, you are. Please go ahead.
Well, a great and interesting session. I'm sure all of you thoroughly enjoyed it as much as I did. Now, before me sharing about the next week leader, let me quickly share again the purpose of the community. For the visitors who are attending first time, Leaders Connect is an online leadership community where every week on a Wednesday from 6:30 p.m. to 7:15 p.m., we invite a top management leader from a reputed corporate to share the solutions for our real-time leadership challenges. This could be either on leading self, leading others, or leading your business. Like how we have seen today, Dr. Harish Chaturvedi handled it so well. This Leaders Connect online leadership community does not stop
in sharing the solutions alone every week, but we also have a reflections episode to track the learning and convert it into an action plan. And this we do it on the last Wednesday of every month, where we also network with like-minded working professionals who are interested in their constant growth. That's when we call it Leaders Creating More Leaders. If you wish to join our community, please click on the WhatsApp group link, which is on your chat box, and you will be able to join us to receive weekly updates, or call us on the number shared on the WhatsApp, and then we will add you in our community. For the members, do remember to write your learning and action plan on your respective login credentials shared with you, and also connect with other members to network. And now I'm happy to introduce the next week leader. She is Miss Ranjani Mani. She's the Director, Business Analytics and Data Sciences from VMware India. Please do click on the below link on the chat box to register yourself for our next week episode. And now it's my privilege to sincerely thank our guest of honor, Mr. Harish Chaturvedi. Thank you so much, sir, for spending your valuable time in sharing your experiences and solutions. It's a great learning curve to all of us. I like especially one thing when Varsha first asked you, what are the Gandhian ways of traits or leadership qualities which are currently affecting the corporate world? And your first thing was, you said that it's the clarity of purpose, clarity of thought. And more often than not, when we actually go back and do some case studies as to why some corporates, big corporates, small corporates failed, or departments within the corporates have failed, it is because they didn't have a clarity of purpose. The goal, the objective was not clear. Thank you so much, sir. You so beautifully brought it out. Now for our guests and all the visitors and members, we have a special thanking video for you. And before that, Dr. Harish, would you like to say anything, please?
Thank you everyone for giving me this opportunity. Really, that has again given me a reflection of my reading of this book a few times back. And again, I will start rereading this book and practicing the philosophy of Gandhi, what he has talked about the leadership. So Prakash ji and every one of you here, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. That's been awesome. Your episode was really good, and then thanks very much. That's taking for time and then sharing your views about the Gandhian way of leadership. And thanks for all this message. So for all the members and visitors and for the guests, we have one final thank you video. And after the video, we request all the members to stay back for a short networking, and with which we will be able to close. Yeah. So Hari sir, just final one thank you video for all. Thank you. Just a minute. Thank you very much, Harish sir. That's been really awesome. We wish to stay in touch, and we'll come back again and interact with you more. Yeah. So great, sir. So now is our networking part. If you wish to stay back, you can stay back, or else if you have another appointment, please feel free. And we wish all our members to stay back for a networking shot, and then we move ahead. So thank you very much, Mr. Harish sir.
Thanks, everyone.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Yes. Yes. So Members, this is the time now we actually can network, and now it's open. So we will be able to stop our recording as well. It's open discussion for us. So quickly, if you who all feel, I know today we are a little delayed or gone a little delayed timelines, supposed to complete by 7:30 max, and this was the time we do the networking, but I understand. But still, I would like to request a couple of people, if you want to share any other points, we missed it, feel free to share. Aruna, let's ask her experience. Aruna, how has your experience been here? And I will also like to ask Varsha as well. So,
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yes,
Beautiful. Actually, I loved the whole talking of Mr. Doctor, and I enjoyed thoroughly.
okay.
Looking forward. Yes.
Great. Thanks, Aruna. Look forward. So maybe one more important point we missed sharing it is for all the members here, we are meeting offline. And there's an offline meet which is happening on 19th of December 2021, which is at a hotel. The two hotels we have freezed. Either could be Gokulam Park or we are meeting at the Maple Tree. Any of these two hotels we are finalizing it, and we'll be meeting. People who wish to join us, our short networking, which is offline at the hotel. Feel free, it's going more of interacting with each other, knowing all the corporate professionals, interacting with from them and understanding the key roles. It's 2 hours from 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock, followed by lunch. So the details will be on the group, and look forward for we all to meet you all. So Aruna, we look forward for you also to be joining us.
I'll see. Yeah, I'll confirm with you.
Yes, feel free to confirm that will add value. That will be really great. Yeah.
Sure.
Good, Aruna. So thanks very much for joining me today, and then congratulations once again for your book for 1 year's completion.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much,
So
Aruna.
I'm leaving now. Thank you so much,
Yes,
Prakash.
thanks, Aruna. Feel free.
Yeah.
So any other members would like to share any other points? This is the time where you can openly discuss about either how you like the episode, number one, or number two, if you want to connect with any of our members here, if you feel that you want to connect with them, please feel free, then we'll be able to interact with you or connect with you to them to share any of your offering or any of your need you want to share. So quickly, Arka Samantha, thanks very much for joining in today. And I understand that you are part of yoga. I'm not sure what is your profession, but definitely would like to look forward for you to meet you again next week again, Arka Samantha. Yeah, I know that you're leaving now, but that's okay. Anybody else who would like to share now and share your views? We're open, otherwise we close the meet.
Prakash,
Yes, Rangarajan, please.
the question which I asked is for while Varsha was asking the question, Sir has referred what is the character. It is about Gandhi to explain about the characters of.
Correct. So
What name is what is the character, right?
Book name was not what is the character. Book name is what Prabhakaran wrote. That is the book name.
Oh, okay.
But he did explain what is.
Prabhakaran wrote was rightly said.
Yeah. I thought of asking about the date where Gandhi
So
was.
he never took the
but
book
Prabhakaran
name.
put the before
fluke.
looking at
So
the
he didn't tell the book name, is it? Oh my God.
No,
It was a fluke.
Prabhakaran, see how you are.
He never mentioned that book
He
name.
actually didn't share the book name.
Correct.
Yeah, he actually didn't share the
That's
book name.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then
And one more
Rangarajan,
thing I
the
thought of
question
asking.
was, maybe Rangarajan, that's when you need to pick a question very specifically.
Yeah.
What has happened? Your question itself was asking the book name.
Yeah. No, I thought of asking the question when Gandhi actually born. But Prabhakaran before the thing itself he typed.
Okay, fine. That's okay. It happens, Rangarajan. That's a learning,
Yeah.
definitely. Yes. Maybe the more specific we can be, I'm sure that will really add and help us.
Yeah, will do.
Oh, superb. So Prabhakaran is writing again, character, clarity, competence, courage, and communication. Correct. What is that, sir? Prakash and team.
Thanks to thanks to
5 Cs
Varsha.
which
5
he
Cs.
mentioned.
Oh, the
coined
5C
it-
mentioned. Is it okay?
She coined it as 5C.
Correct. That you were sharing, that you're summarizing it. Varsha, what he has articulated, and you share sharing it.
Beauty is I
Correct.
was preparing this as the answer for the quiz.
Oh, okay.
Same year, I actually started typing in the chat box.
So I think, he didn't share. I think maybe out of knowledge, Prabhakaran was able to share the book name because
True,
even
that's
Mr.
true.
Mr. Harish mentioned that I didn't even say the book name. He was also actually surprised to listen to the question for a moment.
It happens.
Yes,
True.
in a way, we all got to know a book, and maybe those of who have not read, I think it's an opportunity for us to read.
True. Definitely, that's a good one. Good one, Prabhakar. It's a good presence of mind.
Sorry, Varsha, I took away that.
No, not at all, not at all.
No, I thought of giving to Varsha only, but last 2 weeks she is the winner. So
Oh, no.
He is not tired of winning. Huh?
True.
It's just that, on the top of the mind, when we have a very small conversation, all these, gets registered and you become very kind of, willing to answer. So that comes very spontaneously, not with an intent to, win.
Correct, correctly said. Good, Varsha. How was your experience, Varsha? Maybe initially the context setting took a little time in Bailey, right?
Right, yeah.
So he was saying the context setting itself took a little longer time, and then only he gave us opportunity for questions. But that's okay. Maybe he was telling me that he will set the context. I thought, yeah, we can set the context, but maybe a couple of minutes. I thought that took more than 5 minutes, I believe.
Absolutely.
5-6 minutes or more than that.
So I think otherwise it went on
That's
really well.
okay.
And
He needs that kind of time. I mean,
yeah, definitely.
maybe
That's what
his
we are-
style of connecting with people, that's his style.
Correct,
So I
correct.
think
Yes, definitely it was necessary as well.
And he's
Good, Varsha. Thanks very much, Varsha, for again being a part of panel discussion later this week.
thank you so much for giving me an opportunity. I'm truly blessed and grateful for this. So looking forward for more.
Definitely. Feel free for. Definitely, we'll also keep inviting next week. In fact, David Selvaraj is going to be the panel discussion leader.
Wow.
So, all set, David, for next week.
Awesome. Good to hear that. And I'm
Yeah.
sure he will rock.
Definitely.
that I don't know.
You will certainly.
sir, from previous week to today's summary, it was very good for David, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Good.
good.
So good one. So all set
Wait.
then. So maybe Varsha, Prabhakaran sir, please do
Waiting
join
for
us
Sunday. Yeah,
offline networking meet.
yeah, waiting for Sunday.
Sure, I'll confirm it to
Okay.
you, Prakash, as I mentioned.
Perfect. Definitely. Please do confirm
But
also.
where is this location alone? Can you share? I mean,
Ashok
place
Nagar.
you did.
I mean, Maple Tree is at that 100 feet Vadapalani. I was been getting back and back calls. I was not able to pick up. Either Maple Tree, that 100 feet road is there, right? Where Radha Rajan is there.
Let me explore. Okay, just I want the area Vadapalani. Okay, one is
Vadapalani,
Vadapalani.
or it will be Ashok Nagar. I know these two.
Okay.
Yeah. Ashok, I'll share you the address and all the details will be shared shortly. These two, and we are almost finalized with them. So there were challenges on budget part because we only told 800. So a few people were a little higher and all those were happening. So we finalized it now with 800 itself. Both of these hotels are okay with 800. We fine. Yeah.
Cool.
Good. Super. So we'll meet again. So look forward to meet you all on Sunday.
Sure. Yeah.
Thank you all.
Okay.
Thank you all.
Thanks
Good night,
everyone.
good night,
Bye.
good
Good
night.
night.
Thank you.
Good night.
Bye.
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 Rangarajan, you can stop. I'm ending the video. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. We'll catch up. Yeah.
Yeah, bye.